Good afternoon, everybody. It's March 15th, 2022. This is Greg Sheik with Antique Digger, and I'm going to show you this Parker 51. This is a Cordovan Color with the gold 1/8 14 karat gold cap. This thing is in pretty damn good condition. Excellent plus to near mint. No dings, dents on that cap. Just a straight line cap, double jewel, blue diamond, jewel top and bottom. Got a nice imprint. It's a little light on the Parker 51, but it is there. And you can see the 1946 date code on it. In the, let's see, that would be the third quarter. It has a really fine nib. Actually, an extra fine nib when it writes. So it writes with a .44 to a .58. The 44 is on the up and down strokes, and the 58's on the horizontal. And it's a vacuumatic filler. And you just pump and fill the barrel full of ink.